all this thing. So
Okay.
I created a mutable state which gonna hold the response. Initially it's null. So for now I am assigning the response result to the response dot data dot string. In here I am using response result dot string, and let's add more property first.
You can avoid to string because result is already on string.
A result actually provides in data format, data class. So I have to convert it into the string. Okay, so if I now run, here you can see edit text and the search user. So if I copy the user ID, and paste it here. If I search user, here you can see the response by the post request. If I copy another user ID like this one,
Querying, you are making query, right?
yeah, I'm making a post request query, which is in GraphQL maybe it called mutation. Here you can see user 703381. It's fast, and user 73001. So let's test this ID. User by birth, rocket null, timestamp, and blah blah blah. Okay, so first thing we have to write a query for the post request. In here you can see the user by pk actually takes the IDs. So in here I create a query. This query will take the user ID. So I just name it first. So let's make it ID as well, and I'm changing here. So if I run this, I should be able to see the result. Yeah. So this query actually takes the string type of data, but in here, if you declare the string, in Kotlin, we just write string, but in GraphQL, you have to write UUID and the exclamatory symbol. So this means you have to pass a variable, string type variable in this query. After that, I call user by pk.
UUID is the default data type, right? For a ID.
For the string.
Yes.
And in here I call the function, which is another query. So in query actually I'm passing the ID equal ID, and we need name rocket, and let's find the Twitter. If I now run this, Twitter is null. Okay, whatever. So this will actually returns this kind of data. So you know already the data should be same response, just this body will change, response is correct. So after testing this, when everything okay, you have to write a create a GraphQL file. Here you can see I create a GraphQL file. So you can just right click and create a new GraphQL file in here. GraphQL file, you have to provide a name and it will create a GraphQL file. So I create a GraphQL file and I copy all the thing I write here and I am paste it here. So this is the GraphQL, that's it. Just after that you have to rebuild the project, then you can see you able to call the response query and user query function. This actually auto generate function from based on the query. So do you have any question, guys? Aaron, Larry, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's let's add insert user ID.
You can brief about you from a coding.
Okay, timestamp. Okay, so okay, so Mark, can I show the register user, insert user?
Yeah,
Actually,
sure,
we have
sure,
30 minutes
sure.
left, so that's why I'm telling you.
Yeah, sure, sure. If the time exceeded, then we can continue on it tomorrow. No problem.
Okay, let's make a new query in here, query user. So let's add everything timestamp Twitter. Yeah, that's it. So in here, we are gonna delete all this thing from here there. So let's
Okay. Into say this is the and this is eh 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 cover like guri dita dekha
so I already add the query variable for the sign up user, and let's create a new user object. This will create user. I'm just name it create user. Create user, and this will take maybe object objects. And in here, insert user, insert. I don't know how to write insert user, mutation object, insert user, ID name. Let's
I
specify.
think first one.
We have to make a query. Query sign sign up in the sign up block, mutation query field. I don't know actually how to write mutation query, but I can show in Android in GraphQL. I don't know how to write. Let's go.
I think it is already correct. You don't need to change anything. Just remove the first line, query sign up, and just keep the line in the middle. The what? Yes.
Yes, as because you already changing the data there, and it's updating here.
Here you can see it's show error, insert user.
Yeah, you need to add another curly braces after insert users.
Because all objects should be available inside the
Now, no, not returning. Just yes, add some field, right? Like read.
James, remove one curly bracket. One curly bracket remove.
Keep returning and add a curly bracket and add some field. I think that's it. Returning, yes. Returning, select the returning one, yes. And then add a curly braces and add some field. Right. Yeah.
Yes.
Invalid syntax type UUID.
Yes, you need to add something. You have kept ID blank.
Is it needed to return something, Aaron?
Okay, guys. Just for this training session, just leave it. We are going to discuss tomorrow because mutation is new. So let's find course course in here. Let's find the ID. The
Check from
mission
there. No need to write.
status. Okay, if I now run this, you can see all the cores here. So
Okay.
let's find another core. So this will take ID. I'm just copy the query I write before, and I'm pasting here.
Okay.
So this will take ID. I'm removing. I'm declaring variable. So in here ID
Okay.
will um, ID will this B1006. ID we have to pass okay, find core by ID core. This will take ID, return, say status, original branch. Let's specify a little bit ID. We have to variable find you first. I don't know what I did. UID position ID core ID. ID should be that UUID graphical validation failed. Core. Oh, actually, it takes a core first. Core ID first. Name.
Need to put comma there.
I don't know why it's showing error. First. Actually, it takes fast, not ID.
Oh, okay.
Still, it's error. If I write this query first. Invalid syntax. ID first.
No problem. I think if any issues, then we can try it later.
Okay. GraphQL validation failed. Core ID. Core B006. ID status mission file name data core is null course ID B00 Okay, so I'm copying all the field here and I'm assigning it to the first. Should not throws an error type UID match. Um,
James, I think we can try it tomorrow.
okay, core ID.
Ma'am, you
Yes.
have any question regarding this?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure. What is core?
Ma'am, in here, core is the API endpoint,
It's
API parameter, query parameter. We are just passing some data in query and it's provide some response.
Okay. This user is user, right?
Yeah,
And there's like,
status. Right now, first, let's add a config. GraphQL configuration
so
file.
James, I think we should continue it tomorrow as
Okay. Just one things. Let me run it. GraphQL localhost error ID.
sorry, I lost my Wi-Fi.
okay, ma'am. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining.
Okay, we continue
And
this.
yeah, ma'am, tomorrow we will discuss on the today issues that James facing. So I think hopefully,
Yeah, actually, ma'am, today I was not well prepared because I
Yeah.
thought someone is leading the
yeah,
training.
okay,
That's
Okay.
fine.
okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay,
Thank you. Bye.
thank you so much. Bye.